Are you looking for the best miter saw for furniture making in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best miter saw for furniture making that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Bosch GCM12SD Dual-Bevel Sliding Glide Miter Saw. The Bosch Power Tools GCM12SD has an axial gliding system that equips the saw to make wider cuts with exceeding alignment. The saw is compact sized to provide you with more space at the workplace. It has a cutting capacity 14 inches horizontal, 61/2 inches vertical, and 61/2 inches crown molding. It is a modifiable GCM12SD that delivers a consistent bevel and miter scale. It is packed with an efficient dust collector to ease up the cutting of dense materials. The experienced and professionals have said it to be quite easy to use as it has a clear lower guard which provides increased visibility. They also said that anyone deciding on brittle but solid maple inlays or getting excited to cut down railroad tiles should be the blade accompanying you on the journey. Not only do the hobbyists applaud its power, but also the professionals who call it a wild saw. So what are you waiting for? Make this an addition to your collection at the soonest. Up next in the 4th place is the Hitachi C10FC2 Single Bevel Compound Miter Saw. The Hitachi C10FC2 comes with 5000 RPM and 15 AMP motor which enables you to cut through the toughest of cuts. The miter angle range is 0-52 degrees both on the left and right sides for increased flexibility. The bevel range is of 0-45 degrees on the left side for improved precision. The handle is smooth and absorbs vibration for better grip and comfort. The saw has a tall fence, 4 inches in height, aiding vertical crown molding cut. It comes with a dust collector bag and is lightweight, measuring only 25.3 pounds in weight. Our experienced and professionals believe in its quality since Hitachi is known in the craftsmanship world for innovation. If you are looking for precision, flexibility, and portability, then your search ends here. This machine is not a sample for you get what you pay for, rather it is a reliable piece of machinery that will make a world of difference in your work. So what are you waiting for? Grab one at the earliest. The 3rd product on our list is the Metabo HPT 10-inch Single Bevel Compound Miter Saw. The Metabo HPT has a speed of up to 5000 RPM and has a 15 AMP motor which easily enables it for superior crosscuts and miter cuts. It is reasonably lightweight and is measured at 24.2 pounds which ensures greater portability. The meter angle ranges from 0-45 degrees on both the left and right to maintain greater flexibility. The bevel range is from 0-45 degrees on its left for greater precision. Our experienced and professionals said it to be the perfect tool for woodworkers. For those who are on the hunt for an efficient, reliable, and portable miter saw, your search ends here. Grab one from your nearest store or click away to own one. 2nd on our list is the Makita LS10 10 Compound Miter Saw. The Makita LS10 has 15 AMP with 600 RPM speed to provide powerful saws with high capacity and performance. The miter cuts and bevel cuts provide flexibility and accuracy. This machine could be used for a range of cuts, be it framing, woodworking, deck building, or a number of other woodwork projects. Our professionals claimed it to be the ideal tool for professional woodworkers regardless of where your work setup is. The saw is incredibly lightweight which makes it easier to transport it at your ease. Finally, the top product on our list is the DEWALT 780 12-inch Double Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The DEWALT 780 12-inch provides distinct cutline blade for a hassle-free adjustment to provide you with accuracy and better visibility. The motor is of 38 RPM with a 15 amp which provides the miter saw with increased power, thereby increasing its longevity. More than 75% of dust is absorbed by the DEWALT dust collector which is quite efficient. The tall fences support crown molding of 7.5 inches, base molding of 6.3 divided by 4 inches. It has customizable stainless steel plate which consists of 10 points marking for better precision during cuts. It is said to function the most when the meter is adjusted 60 degrees on right and 50 degrees on the left, respectively. It has various other features: large bevel and cam lock for accuracy, compact size for mobility and easy stockpiling, and XPS LED light. It is the ideal saw for carpenters, framers, cabinet makers, and to various other professionals. They are satisfied with the working and called it to be a workhorse which can withstand serious workload. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.